Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cubic hitting a new all-time high. If you remember back in May 2022, I bought Cubic in Santorini, Greece. I bought $5,000 worth of Cubic. That's turned into $200,000, up more than, I think, 36 times, but I have to check. But congratulations, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. XS up a little bit, but the chart's reset, so can't really say. 52,223 on Bitcoin. Crypto Guru bot on the weekly still blew by. Bitcoin indicator bot still sell, didn't fire a buy yet. Volume growing, stochastic heading up. Going into the daily, each candlestick represents 1 day in the markets. We had a hammer candle, which is a bullish sign, which is a good sign. Hammer candles, what does it mean? This is a hammer candle. It means the price went down and then finished the day back up, so that's showing bullishness. Volume still increasing, still bull flag. We're at heavy resistance like I thought at 52k. On the 4 hourly, we got a bit of a pullback yesterday, a bit of a drop, and it made oh no, can say it's still climbing even on the low volume, but you can see we have in the channel. But again, this is showing a massive bull flag, everyone. This again, a huge bull flag. If you've been following my videos the last months, it's just bull flag, huge bull flag from the base of that launch out, which we predicted perfectly here. That breakout, that's the distance it can travel. So target would be almost 61k for Bitcoin. Beautiful trade, and it looks like it's going to break out now, everyone. Bitcoin's about to break out. You can see it's at the top of this channel. Actually, no, if we move it touch 2 lines, it's already broken through. It's at resistance now, but it's trying to break through. This trade hit stop loss yesterday. This safer trade didn't activate. Where I would activate a trade, I think from this support here, in case Bitcoin decides to break out, which it can really do without stopping. Like, it can go for a really big run now. But say you're lucky and you get a pullback, I think the pullback could be worse, but unlikely. Could get a 52 pullback, but that's the trade I would open for safety. Opening at 51,325. No, sorry, 51,180. Stop loss 51,044 and take profit 61,000. 55,000 is also a very big resistance, and 61,000 target. Risk towards 74 times. Risking $135 to make $10,000 with no leverage. 10x leverage, $100,000, 100x leverage, $1 million profit. Trade opens at 51,180. Stop loss 51,044. On a little bit of a pullback. Maybe could get to the 200 weekly average, but 51,180 is a safe area. My Bitcoin trade currently is $98,686 in the profit, $98,646, 798% on this trade, almost 800% on this trade. $98,630, which is amazing. In this account, it's coming back to new all-time high, $614,000 in here, $614,000 US, up from $150,000. So amazing gains. And in the last 7 days, from 580 to 614, so about 34,000 in the last 7 days. In here, I'm holding Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, 104,000, up a little bit. USDT, 61,000. Doge, 60,000. There was an announcement from Ferrari that they were going to be accepting Doge. Uniswap, 54,000, down 3%. FXS, 52,000, 2%. MCRT, 1.6%, 47,000. Pocket, 39,000, minus 5%. World, 29,000, up 25%. World is pumping. Look at my World guy, everyone, 29K, up 25%. Yesterday was also up 25%, which is huge news. Let's see what this is showing us on World. I'll do Bitcoin and World today because World is just going crazy. Up 25% yesterday, 25% the day before. It's amazing gains on World. It hit my $6.10 target when we bought it at $2.50. It already smashed through that target. And now it's price ranging. Now we can get rid of all of these lines pretty much. We have a major support at $4.80 and $6.10 was my target. It hit it, touched it from $2.50, by the way, when we bought it. That's a massive gain. We've already made we've made now 137% on World, and now it's price finding. If it stays above this trend line, it will use it as a new support, which is beautiful. Everything you see down here, see me do, you can do under the video. Go down underneath the video. One is the exchanges where I trade. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. 2 is the exchange, the master course, crypto master course, where you learn all this and you get the bots. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. And over on X, you can follow me on X as well. I've got 82,800 followers. I had 83,000, but again, I'm shadow banned here. So every day they just keep releasing. I gain followers and then delete it. I don't know why. And you can see here, breaking, Ferrari now accepts Dogecoin. Doge payments for luxury sports cars officially welcome in the US. Race gears up for crypto revolution. Cubic, 40x on Cubic and hitting all-time high again. Beautiful. And I remember this, I posted on the 8th of 2023, August. Who remembers when I bought 36 billion Cubic in Greece? It's not yet on major exchanges, so I will hold it. It has now 10x since I bought it. Now it's 40x since I bought it, everyone. 40 times my investment, which is beautiful. And WorldCoin as well. Congratulations. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let me know any tickers you would like me to analyze in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.